Hello, Blaine. Looking for top-notch HVAC services? Say hello to YBDHC. From HVAC and heating contractors to AC repair and furnace tune-ups, we're your local experts. Need ductwork or mini-split installations? We do that too. Got a gas fireplace or dryer vent needing some TLC? YBDHC is here to help. Why choose us? Our experienced technicians handle every job with a smile. Ready to book? Visit ybdhc.com, email ybdhc2@gmail.com, or text call 763-546-7377. Remember, regular maintenance keeps your systems running smoothly. So why wait? For all your HVAC needs in Blaine, MN, choose YBDHC. Like and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to keeping your home comfortable, efficient. Contractors, heating, contractors, cooling contractors, Blaine, MN, YBDHC.